Welcome to Tjhoko Paint. Let me tell you a bit more about our product. Tjhoko Paint is a water-based chalk paint, which is eco-friendly and odorless. Let me show you. Tjhoko Paint comes in two different sizes. Your 250ml, which covers 2 square meters double-coated, or your 1 liter that covers 8 square meters double-coated. There you can see our different colors and 3 different metallics, which gives you your silver, your rose gold, and your gold, and can be used in different techniques depending on what you choose to create for the day. Tjhoko Paint can be used on virtually any surface you can think of, whether it's wood, steel, plastic, something that's been varnished, laminated kitchens. It goes on virtually anything and such a great product to use. We also have a range of stencils in various sizes. Stencils can be reused and reused again because they're really good quality. And then we've also got our water stencils that can be applied to any surface just to give it a bit of character. Tjhoko Paint is a product that's easy to use. We've tried taking out the effort out of upcycling some of your furniture. With Tjhoko Paint, there's not only no sanding beforehand, but also no waxing afterwards, as our wax is already incorporated into the paint and already gives you a sealed finish. So come on down and come and see us at the Home Improvement Expo. You won't want to miss it.